Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Have Knowledge with JRP, and today we are going to be seeing the part 2 tutorial of Google Sites. So as we know how to get into the sites. In the last video, you go to 3x3 Google Apps, and here you can find the sites. Now I'm gonna go back to my site which we left off with. Is this one. So we're getting in our site. So this is our home page, and you know how to get to our home page. And now I'm probably just going to crop my video. Okay, so now when we go to videos, we can find nothing over here because we don't have anything over here. So now we are going to be inserting things in here from Google Drive and files and stuff. So now let's go on insert, and we already have insert. So first I'm gonna choose a layout like maybe this one. Now I'm gonna go to the plus to add the section, and then you can upload from your files. You can select images from the files, I think, and then you can insert things from your drive, and then you can also insert things from YouTube. So now I know that I have a YouTube channel. I want to make my site for my YouTube. So I'm going to go on YouTube, and then I'm going to do, it's just going to be have knowledge. Actually, wait, it's a little different now. Have knowledge with JRP. Now you'll probably see only some of the things, not all of the videos. So if the video over here is what you want to upload to your first one, is nice, but it's not going to show you all options. So I'd like to go on a new tab, and then I'm going to be going on a new tab, and then I'm going to be I'm gonna go on YouTube. Now we're going to be searching have knowledge with JRP. Now as you can see, here's my channel. You click on it, and then here you can find all the videos. So basically the easiest thing you do is you click on a video. Like if I click on this one, then you click on the video, and then you pause it, and then you copy the link over here. You just do Control C, go over here, you add, then you do nothing, go on YouTube, and then you just Control V, means paste the URL, and then you can find the video over here. You select it, go on select, and then here you can find the video. And now you can title it in any ways, like something like, I'm just gonna title it the real name, which is secret exercise. So I'm gonna title it that way. Then you can also edit the layout. Like I said in the before video, I like Georgia. I'm gonna do this. I can do it bold. I can change the size of it. Okay, and then I can change the color, which I like to be black. Sorry, my mouse is a little bit bad now. Okay, so now you can add it. caption of it. So I don't need to add really a caption. Like, I'm just gonna copy and paste from my site from before, which is in here. I have my site over here. Okay, I'm gonna just copy and paste the caption from this site, which is actually updated. And like this one in this video, I'm going to copy, Control C, and to paste. And then you can change the first one. You need to select this whole thing. Then you can change the size of the caption. You can make it bold, but I don't like it. And so that's how you insert a video. And now if you want to insert any images, then you can go here by select image. And this gives you options for Google Drive, Google Images Search. You can search images. You can go on photos. And you can also paste the URL of the image over here to get the image. So like I'm gonna just do, because I don't have a ready image, I'm just gonna search it. Maybe like something like India. And now I like this one, so I'm gonna select insert. And then this helps us insert the image of the map. You can also crop it as the size as you want. Now it's the image of the India map. And so, as you can see, you can insert other images and title and caption of the images and videos by here. You can also add the text box like before, and then you want to make something else like maybe like from, you can also insert things from the drive and from here. And so like here you go on drive, and then you can insert images from here. And that's how you can also that's how you also can insert images in your site. So as you can see, this is a really nice way of making a site from scratch. And then you can also share it with other people by going on the top person. Then here I am the owner of it. And then you can share it with anyone. Like I'm just gonna share it to my one again. It's just going to be like this. And then wait, it's just different. Need to click it. Look, so now I'm just gonna go to myself, send it. Then on my Gmail, I'm having the editing privileges now. You can also make the person like a viewer. So that's really like your choice and your what you think how to do it. So probably this is how you make a site by scratch tutorial. And so now let's publish it. So this is how the page is currently published. Here is this, but now I have this page. And so this is helping me to see how my page is going to be looking like after publish. So publish, and then our site is published. You want to see how it looks after publishing? You go on the arrow pointing down, and then you go here, and then you see the view published site. You can have a clear image of what your site is going to look like when you're going to search it. Okay, so this is how you really make a website on Google sites. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.